Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. So if you like to shoot like I do, you should absolutely have a good quality trauma kit on you, near you at all times, because you never know when accidents just may happen and you need some good quality supplies to help save someone's life. This video, we're going to take a look at the AR500 Armor SOB pouch, the back pouch. This is a great little pouch here that you can put supplies in and have them ready at the range. Alright, so we'll take a look at the outside here of the back pouch from AR500 Armor. So you have hook and loop material here that you could put any kind of patch identifier, whatever you'd like to on there. I just put a cross. This one is from VanQuest, it glows in the dark. I like it pretty good. You have two ways of mounting it here. You can run a MOLLE system here. So if you have a battle belt, things like that, you can mount it there. You can mount it to a backpack. And then you could also run a belt through it underneath here. So to be perfectly honest with you, I do not own a battle belt. I have one on order, but I don't own one. So I just used a regular belt from Blue Alpha Gear to mount it. And I did flip it upside down. That way my tourniquet would be on top. That way I can reach and grab it, pull it, and get to it quick. But I can also let gravity help me out here. If I need to pull down, then there's my kit out right there, ready to go. So you have two ways of mounting the system. You could run the tourniquet underneath here. And then when you pull out, your stuff's going to come up. Or turned upside down like I've done. If you run it this way, then you pull the tab down on your belt system and everything slides out. This has a hook and loop material here that catches here, so it's not going to fall out unless you pull it like you see. I'm pulling it really good. We use the little Velcro cord organizers. I'm not sure what they're called, but they're little Velcro strips that feed through right here, this loop, to secure it. This holds the tourniquet in place. It's not going anywhere, especially like I'm running on top of the kit. Tucks away so it looks nice and neat. You have some loops here that we've attached it to. But if you need this, you can pull it and these will break. Pretty easy to get your tourniquet out. Like I said, it's going to hold in place. I don't think it's going to go anywhere just from pulling on it, but if you need it, boom. Now I'd use some force, but if I'm needing to pull a tourniquet out of the range, I'm going to use some force. So absolutely, you can see these are breakaway and they tear and your pouch is just fine. But for us, we felt like that was the best way to attach the tourniquet to the outside. You may have a different way you want to do it, but that's the way we chose to do it. So here's the package of the Velcro loops that we use just to hold the tourniquet on, just to kind of give you an idea if you're looking at using your own system here. So this breaks loose and now you can loop it through and keep your tourniquet secure. So on the inside of your pouch here, you have some elastic bands that's going to hold everything in place. We are running scissors, there's compact hyphen chest seals, and there's readily pressure bandage from combat gauze. In our kits that we're selling at Medical Gear Outfitters, we add gloves and an MPA to this to give you a complete trauma kit. So here's the combat gauze. Pressure bandage. Now for this kit we did use the compact hyphen chest seals. With the regular size just didn't quite fit in there, but you could also use the Halo chest seals, which is their new packaging here. So we could absolutely run either one of these choices in here. And then I did throw a pair of trauma shears in the backside just in case we needed it. You can see we've got everything pretty well packed in there, pretty tight and secure. So I mean, you could probably go to a smaller pressure bandage if you wanted to run your tourniquet on the inside to keep it protected. Different choices, different setups, how you want to use this pouch. But I think this is a good design to choose from to keep a trauma kit on you while you're at the range or you're doing some other type of work. You do have some different color choices too to match your battle belt or your belt system that you want to use. We have the multicam, we have a coyote tan color, we have the OD green, and a black. The overall size is we're about 4.5 inches high here by 9 inches long. So they did use Cadora fabric to put this pouch together, and I think that's going to make it hold up very nicely out in the weather. So at my company, Medical Gear Outfitters, you can buy this pouch empty, put your own supplies in there, or you can buy it pre-filled from us with the Gen 7 Cat or Soft T. You can put combat gauze or C-locks in here. And of course, while we're at the range and I'm sweating in the South Carolina humidity, we might as well just shoot a few rounds. Why not? Appreciate Ballistic Ink working with me on this t-shirt design. So if you're interested in purchasing this t-shirt, I'll put a link down below. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.